Uh, I well, actually, the rain slacking up a little bit, or it's just drizzling. Well, I'm still gonna name this. It's raining. It's pouring once again. Okay. Uh huh. Yep. I was hoping that it'll rain hard again. Hmm. So I wish it will rain Mardi Gras Day. I wish it will rain Mardi Gras Day. Hmm. School buses is coming. Uh huh. Yep. So look like it's foggy downtown New Orleans. It's not foggy around here. Hmm. It's raining. It's pouring, and now it's going to be drizzling. Well, it's drizzling now, but I'm still naming this Facebook Live. It's raining. It's pouring. Yep. I'm still name it that. Uh huh. So so yeah. Nothing else to do. All right. I'll do my gameplay a little later. Okay. So anyway, if you're watching this video on my Domino 866 gameplay channel, you'll see it later. If you're watching it on my different channel, if you're watching this video on my different channel, go on Domino 866 channel, okay, please. If you're watching it on my other different channels, this this video is going on YouTube. If you're watching this on YouTube, then hey, well, I wanted to name this "It's Raining, It's Pouring," but unfortunately, I was having trouble with my with my YouTube live. It kept on saying it couldn't go through. Uh huh. Yep. Well, I'm not gonna make this video. It's raining. It's pouring. I'm just gonna name this. It's just drizzling. Okay. So anyway, I'm about to go back to YouTube and write and name this. It's drizzling. Okay. It's raining. It's drizzling. So that's the name of this one right here. It's raining. It's drizzling. Okay. All right. So all right. So I'll see y'all later. Okay. All right.